Okay guys, so this is as promised. Set out to a family tree of my Kroonstad birds, how they were bred, and this is the family tree. So I tried to color code it, the three birds, so that you can see according to the color and how often some of the birds appear in the pedigree or in the bloodline. So the first bird that of my first return from Kroonstad 6674 2019 FB was bred from a bird Mr. Smith gave me, blue buckcock with no ring, as you can see there. 2009 the mother, ZASP 05762, and she was bred from 5558 NRHU 2023, and that bird I got from a gentleman from Durbanville, Gary Lindell, and the dam I bred myself 2005, SAFB 18055, bred also from two birds from Gary Lindell that he gifted me. So in this pedigree, that dam, that sire also had no ring, and I just called him Sokkies because he had the feather foot with no ring. So there's an O-ring bird, and then there's an O-ring bird. That one was gifted by Mr. Smith, and this one was gifted by Gary Lindell. That's Gary Lindell, that's Gary Lindell, and that cock is Gary Lindell. That was a dun cock. That hen was a dun. And then we go to the second bird, second arrival from Kroonstad. There you can see the blue that appears there, 185.5, is numerous times in this pedigree, or in the second bird's pedigree. There it appears, there it appears, there it appears, there it appears. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the pedigree. Yellow, 3 times in the pedigree, or it's now 4 times, yeah, 4 times in the pedigree. Purple, Sokkies, is in the second bird. Sokkies, Sokkies. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times it appears in the second arrival. Let's just go to some interesting things here. In the second bird, since the pedigree is so widespread, Alia, if you watch the previous videos of mine, that is my disabled bird, the blue hen with a white flag, one crooked wing, and she's twice in this pedigree. Okay, then her dam 5592 won the 2016 Kimberley for me, where we only had 2 birds through on the day. And then that one's dam 2742 did a second place Tennyson for me in 2014 Tennyson, and that bird 2747, he did 6th place 2014 Tennyson, but the previous year 2013 he won me the Tennyson 2013 first place. Supposed to be 6th place overall in the WCTPA on the track. And then let me see, he appears in this pedigree twice. Let's just see what is still interesting here. So there's a winner, there's a second place, there's a winner. I just want to see if I can identify some interesting things here. The Cock 1085 is the sire of a second place WCTPA on the Victoria West 4 in 2014 also. Yeah, the Jen appears again. Kimberley winner for 2016. She's twice in the pedigree. Let me just see if I can see some more interesting things here. Oh yeah, in the club, in the union, at the time when this bird won the Tennyson, his mother, 24227, sorry, 42427. She went 7th in the race, so my position was covered by a son and a mother there. Obviously, if he is there, then his mother will also appear in the pedigree. Okay, let's just check the third bird, 185. 185, there we have Aliyah is there, the disabled bird. Her mother is there. Kimberley winner. Tennyson winner. There, that good bird is again 1, 2, 3 times. It appears in this pedigree as well. The same with Sokis and then twice here. No, 3 times down here as well. 3 times it appears in this pedigree. That one is the 2014 second place Tennyson, 54th WCTPA truck on that race, 2014. I'm just trying to see if I can see more interesting facts of birds that did good. This bird here, in 2012, the bird arrived at home 5:05, and I only clocked this bird 25 to 6, wasted half an hour in the trees close by, and she still did the 7th position in the club with half an hour that she wasted. Yeah, you can see it's I wrote the guy from whom I received the birds. That was 2003. Older birds. That's a bird I bought from somebody here in Atlantis. And he's in the lineage here for that winner. Sophie's Garland. So yeah, it appears that these birds, they have the same bloodline. According to the color codes, I just color coded it for you guys to make it easy to be able to see the birds. And then another interesting thing that I wanted to show you guys is 1085 and 05762 are brother and sister, the same sire, but different dams. So their mothers are different, but they are sharing the same father. So I bred them together. Yeah, breeding 80851, and then it goes back to that bird. And then here's another interesting thing. This bird is a double winner of a Bridgetown in a Lugamka, 2 hard races. On the Lugamka, or was it now a Prince Albert? I think it was a Prince Albert, yeah. That he won. On that Prince Albert, I did what? 5 positions out of 10. So there was a double winner bred from Alia and 2598. And you can see 2598 is coming from the 2013 Tennyson winner. So that is interesting there. This pedigree. So here I have like the Tennyson winner there, double winner there, Kimberly winner there, Kimberly winner, same bird. And she's also appearing here. Where we have, I think I ran out of space there, so I didn't get it on the space here, so I'm supposed to maybe just show where she comes from. 55982, but I can show you guys the site. 55982, 2742, 2014 second place Tennyson. So my birds are very tight knit, so that's how I was able to clock on the distance. 2 birds within the same minute. Yeah, it's maybe not the best results that I have ever delivered for this year 2024 on the Kroonstad. However, I'm satisfied because I'm racing with 2018, 2019 and 2019 birds that scored me those positions, 3,600 and 3,900 on the Bloemfontein. Oh yes guys, I just want to correct myself. When I watched the video back of I think it's a previous video that I made where I mentioned 282241. I mentioned that he scored in the Kroonstad. It was not the Kroonstad, it was the Bloemfontein. He's a son of 1085 of this bird. I'll show you guys tomorrow maybe. I've got 2 babies of this cock now. He's a 2011 and his youngsters just hatched, and I've got like a dun there, and the other one might be a Chico blue. I just noticed 2 days ago the eggs had hatched, but because of the what do you call it now, the fluffy, the yellow fluff on the bird is minimal. So that is how I know when it's done. Yeah guys, that is my promised pedigrees of my Kroonstad birds, and there you can see that one is very limited with regards to the birds in the lineage, because these birds I don't have a record of them. This is the birds that I was gifted back then. You can see this 2003 sockies didn't even have a ring. That one was gifted by Mr. Smith, no ring, and this is what I bred. That one was gifted, this one I bred. So that is why this pedigree is so limited or small, whereas all these birds I bred myself until the last year. I think I could have still shown this ones that I bred 2010. I do have a record of that, but from 2003 I don't have the record. Sockies obviously I don't have, there's no ring, but 4-4 and 4-7 I do have, and I can show it this side. 4-4 and 4-7 how they were bred, and that is where it stops for them. So 555 NRH 2003 and 185.5, they are basically the cornerstone of my loft. Cornerstone pair. Most of the birds will come from them, I think. And then 1085, because 1085 is bred from 558. There you can see 558, just a different hen there. 2001 SA FBHU, 1996, a bird Mr. Kemp here from Atlantis, that bird, and then that one there on the top also. And there you can see 558 paired with 18055 and bred produced 2009 ZASP 05762. So that is why I'm saying the two of them, 185 there, and that one is brother and sister. You can see they are sharing the same father. Alright guys, there you have it. That is for my Kroonstad birds, the pedigree, color coded. Maybe it will give you also an idea of how to breed the birds or keep a record and see what works, what doesn't work. All the birds didn't work over the years, but some have given very phenomenal results. Something that I'm very proud of. Yeah, especially on the longer distance, I seem to always feature there. It's the shorter distance that's always maybe curbing me a little bit, but I can't show. Like if you noticed 185, I raced him with 60 from the start of 2024. He raced from the second race, and he didn't do anything until now, the Kroonstad. So yeah, that is why I promised to show how the birds were bred. So you can see they are closely related birds, and maybe that is the reason why I was able to clock birds so close to each other on the distance. As I said, it's maybe not the best results, but nevertheless I'm proud, because if there was 3,600 and 3,900 birds respectively on the Bloemfontein and the Kroonstad, I managed to clock within the first 700 on the one side and within the first 800 on the other side, so meaning that I'm in the top 25% of the federation results, which is okay. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. See you with the youngsters. I'm out.